You got hiccups? Yeah. Why are your eyes crossing? That was a big one. Oh, goodness. What do you think? Huh? Say hi, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Good night.